I think a lot of the issues in this industry is that there's this hyper-focus on the financial markets with respect to doing analysis. We just really want to understand our subject matter, and then at an appropriate time, you relate that to financial markets. I think about it as sort of two ledgers. One is fundamental research and the other is observations of markets. And you're looking for a disconnect. Maybe markets are selling off and you perceive the fundamentals to be improving in a particular country. That should be one of those moments that you have to say like, aha, like we should do a lot more research around this and come to an investment decision.
In terms of idea generation, I am looking for places that I think are about to get better or places that I think are about to get much worse. Then combining that view with the available assets in that country. What fundamentals look like today is obviously very important, but we are always thinking about the next policy that's going to be put in place, the next decision that's going to be made, and how that is going to impact our investments going forward.
The starting point is, what is this country about? What is the political system? How strong are the institutions? What is the experience of the people in government? What are their priorities? We also try and understand just the macro profile. Is this a country with a lot of debt or a little debt but accelerating? Where are the fiscal vulnerabilities? Where are the external vulnerabilities? And then honing in on which of those pillars is the most important in terms of trajectory for the country. We're not just looking at sources that everyone else in the market is focusing on, but we are finding ways to perhaps identify other sources that nobody else has access to.
With countries, you kind of have this reasonably well-defined opportunity set. There's a little over 200 countries in the world. In the corporate space, there's many new corporates. There's corporates that disappear. In the EM space, they number in the thousands. Our approach to this vast universe is to be highly targeted.
It's very opportunistic. We're looking for 10 to maybe 20 candidates that are kind of best ideas. No candidate's going to have everything that we're looking for, but in general, we're looking for kind of things that fall through the cracks for other investors.
I often like to tell the team, we're not just going to sit behind our desks and wait for things to come to us. We need to be active, get out there, and find our own interesting ideas.